Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Niña, and for today's video is what's inside my bag challenge. So before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button below. So this is my bag. Usually I just use small bag like this when I'm going to the mall, and today I'm going to the mall with my brother and he's waiting outside, and I asked him to wait for me while I'm doing this video. So let's get started. Of course, first it's phone, wallet, and I have my card holders kasi ayoko yung yung malaking wallet, so I just want like this. So may card holder ako. Alcohol, syempre. What else? And this one, it holds my power bank, yung cord, and then my headset. Ayoko kasi yung pag-open mo ng bag, ang daming nangyayari sa loob, ganun. And then supply. Joke lang to. Tamad talaga akong mag-supply. Joke lang to. And then, mirror. Hi Tara, thanks for this mirror. It's from Hong Kong. She gave it to me when we were in Cebu. Thanks Tara. And lip tint. Hindi talaga kay mami talaga to. Daig pa ako niya. Meron siyang Dear Darling na tint. And then, this one. Kung napanood niyo yung vlog ko sa may hall ng Beauty Manila, ito yon, yung Golden Cup Balm. It's for headaches and then mga ganun. And then, yan. Tapos na. I'm done. So, kailangan ipasok ko na naman ulit yung mga nun. Ganun talaga. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. And again, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye and God bless.